Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you people how I made this simple, easy to do Afro crochet wig. Okay, to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So guys, for this wig I'll be using this extension, okay, color BG, and I'll be using cotton 4. So I go ahead and cut my extension into 4. The next thing I did is to start rolling it on the flexi rollers or the bending rollers. Guys, you can do this using two methods. Is either you twist and roll, or you just roll it without twisting, but make sure it's tight. Okay, make sure it's very tight when you are doing so. So I'm just twisting and rolling it on the flexi rollers. This after cutting the extension into 4 and kind of stretch it a bit, and then I start twisting. I roll it on the flexi rods. I twist, I roll it on the first flexi rods, guys. So you should be getting something like this after that. Or the second one is that you can just roll it on the flexi rods without twisting, but make sure it's very tight, guys. Make sure it's very tight because you need to get a very nice coils after this. Okay, you can just roll it without twisting it, but make sure it's very tight when you are doing this. Okay, so guys, the next thing I did was to add a little bit conditioner in the hot water. The condition part of it is not a must, but if you have a conditioner, you can do this. So I top it up with hot water, and after losing it from the flexi rod, this is how it's looking. Next thing I did is to get the wig cap that I will be using, guys. So this is the wig cap I'll be using. So after securing the wig cap in my mannequin head, I got one of the extension. So guys, this is after the thing dry. I have to allow it to dry. Okay, so the next thing I did is to separate it into small pieces, guys. Just separate it into small pieces, and then I got my crochet pin and then start crocheting. Guys, this wig is very easy. It's easy and it's super fast to do, and it's very beautiful, guys. Okay, it's a very simple, easy to do Afro crochet wig. So I start crocheting it in, making sure it's tight, guys. You can knot it twice, can knot it once, but make sure it's tight, guys. That's what matters. Make sure your knot is very tight. So I continue with the crocheting. I crochet, I knot it once, but making sure it's tight. You can knot it twice like I said, but make sure it's tight, guys. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, please consider doing that. Okay, consider doing that. Okay, it has a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you guys. Please subscribe. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much. You guys, and I love you so much. So guys, I continue with the crocheting. I crochet, I knot, making sure it's tight. So this is what simply what I'll be doing till I get to the end of this wig cap. So guys, this is how far I've gone. So I just crochet in, I knot, but make sure your knot is tight. Okay, I crochet in, I knot. So when I get to the front, this is how, we are doing an Afro wig, so this is how I'm crocheting the front side, guys. Just watch what I'm doing. Please guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and do that. I make videos on ventilation, braiding, hair revamping, hair maintenance, but everything concerning hair, guys. Okay, please consider subscribing as I have a whole lot for you guys. So guys, this is simply me crocheting the front side. I just need to cover up the whole space. Okay guys, a full braiding extension, just one is okay for this week. Okay, no matter how it is, it's going to be full. Like just one braiding extension is okay for this week. You don't need to, one is okay. So I just crocheting, I knot it, making sure it's tight. You can knot it twice, like I said. You can knot it twice, you can knot it once, but make sure it's tight. So guys, after filling in the whole space, this is how it's looking. So the next thing I'm doing is to start trimming it. Guys, you need to take your time while doing this. Just take your time. Just trim it to the size that you want it. Okay, just take your time, do not rush it. Just take your time and trim it till you get to the exact size and style that you need. Okay, so basically I'm just trimming it till continue the trimming till I get to the size I want. So just take your time when you are doing this. So guys, this is it. This is what I got finally after the trimming. Isn't it beautiful? Please guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe.